Hello YouTubers, welcome to the first pickup capsule event of May 2020. I'm going to be unboxing all of the particular zooms for this month. So we have two Musketeer Mickeys, and we're going to have one Princess Minnie, two Musketeer Donalds, two Musketeer Goofies, two Flowers, three Maries, and we have three Blue Fairies. There's 15 to collect. So you can see that I'm already starting the pickup. So I'm gonna get all of them. So what are these pickup capsules for those who are new or old? Just a reminder. Basically, they are called captchas in Japanese, and they show up as a third option to choose from in the store. They appear once a month, and they remain available 2 to 5 days. There are always about 15, and they cost 30,000 coins per zoom. So if you wanted to get all of them, it would cost you a total of 450,000 coins. Each pickup capsule includes specific zooms you could obtain, and if you have all of them and you've maxed the skill levels, then they're going to be replaced by a premium ticket. So, and if I empty all of this capsule and get all 15 of them, which I'm close to doing, I'm going to be rewarded with a skill level. A skill ticket, actually. So, this skill ticket will allow me to skill up any of the zooms that I have in my collection. So that's going to be pretty fun to do. So yeah. So for those new, there are 3 types of tickets in this game. There are premium tickets, happiness tickets, and skill tickets. So premium tickets can be used to buy a premium box, and when you have a premium ticket in the store, there's basically a red ticket where the price of the premium box usually appears. So that's the red one. And we have the happiness ticket, if you see that. Happiness tickets are in the happiness boxes. And when you have a happiness ticket in the store, there's a green ticket, and you can buy the happiness zooms. And these and then in the premium box, you can get this month's zooms. So that's a lot of fun. So I'm almost done emptying this capsule, and that will entitle me to get a skill ticket. As you can see, I have 2 more, and this is almost done. And if you're curious, the zooms that are in the capsule, the special capsule, actually feature Mickey, Donald, Goofy from the Three Musketeers. So the Three Musketeers is actually a 2004 American direct-to-video animated family musical action comedy. And yeah, you can basically see the cover art of the movie. And I've collected the last prize, which is basically my skill ticket. So I have now got everything, and I've emptied my capsule, and I've got all my zooms. So we can take a look now of all the zooms I have. So I'm gonna be excited to join the next event, which is coming up soon. So if you enjoyed this video, I'm gonna be doing more of these. So every month there are there's going to be all the boxes that I can buy from the store. So I will be unboxing stuff usually from the pickup capsules, the select boxes, and also the premium boxes. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day.